Happy Valentine's Day. I hope that you are excited to flow with me today, just to get ourselves moving, our bodies feeling good and loved and yummy, and giving back today to yourself, to those around you, and remembering that every day you are loved. And I hope you have friends, family, and whoever else to celebrate today with. So as we get moving, we're gonna find seated. I want you to extend your legs out nice and long in front of you. And then take your arms way up into the air, big, big stretch. Bend your knees if you're tight, legs out if you're not. And then exhale, fold forward over those legs. Get nice and long through the spine. And then exhale, fold in. So starting seated can feel really challenging if you're tight. So remember sitting on a block or a pillow or just allowing yourself to do what feels best. But noticing that my knees are slightly bent, my feet are slightly open. Not trying to go for my deepest fold right now. Now inhale, lengthen out of this, and then come all the way up. We'll cross our ankles and come forward to hands and knees. And then slide your knees back so they're right underneath your hips. Palms face forward, and then inhale, move into cow pose, so lift your chest. Exhale, move into cat. Good, inhale, move into bird dog, also known as opposing muscle stretch. So right arm forward, left leg behind you, and reach through the heel, reach through this right arm. Extend and feel the length in your body. Feeling the muscles wake up in the tail and the shoulder, and then exhale, lower the hand and the knee. And then switch sides. So extend back through the right leg, reach forward with the left arm, and then use your stomach, lift it up nice and strong. Exhale, release hand and knee. One more time on each side. So inhale, right arm forward, left leg back. Exhale, lower. Inhale, left arm forward, right leg back. And lower. Good. Let's find downward facing dog for our first time. So pushing back here. And then finding as much length as you want in your body. Good. Inhale, two high plank. We'll take our first chaturanga. Exhale, lower. And then inhale, transition, up dog or cobra. Exhale, back to down dog for me. Take your right leg up into the air, bend your knee, open up your hip, soften your left knee, let it bend, push back through your body. Inhale, lengthen, close the hip. So notice how I rotated the hip down. Exhale as the knee comes forward, step through. Inhale, reach out and up, find crescent lunge, and then take a big back bend here. Exhale, very slowly and carefully come forward and reach back with your arms forward with your heart. Inhale again, come all the way back up, big breath in. Exhale, bring your hands down. Step forward, feet together. Halfway lift. First standing forward fold, let it feel good. Lift your tail, drop your head. Inhale, rise up high to stand, reach all the way up into the air. And then exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, step into plank pose. And again, we'll lower the knees and work through bird dog. So inhale, right arm forward, left leg behind us. Exhale, lower. Use your glutes. Inhale, reach and push. And lower. One more time, right arm, left leg. Lift your belly up and away from your yoga mat. Switch. Left arm, right leg. Exhale, curl your toes, down dog, push back. And then we're gonna inhale, come forward, plank. Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale back. Left leg lifts, bend your knee, open up your hip, soften this right knee, and then raise your thigh a little bit more. Straighten the leg, close your hip, bring your knee forward and through and step. Good, take your arms out wide and up. Inhale, crescent lunge. Big breath in, lengthen. Exhale, come forward with the heart, back with the fingers, lead with the crown of your head. Inhale, back up. Exhale, put your hands down, frame your foot, And then take a giant step forward, feet together. Halfway lift. And then bow forward. Inhale, rise all the way up to stand, reach high. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees on your half lift, find chair pose, so sink down in the hips, and then reach up through your arms, so get really long here. Pull your hands to the heart, we're gonna twist to the right, so I want you to first roll the heart to the right, spine to the left, then connect the tricep as you twist. Good, lean back, 3, top shoulder rolls up, gaze rolls up, 2, and then inhale, come back to your chair. And we're gonna move right to the second side, so pull your hands to the heart, move your spine to the right, roll your heart to the left, and then gently find that connection so it's not too fast, and twist. Sit a little bit deeper for 3, 2, and then inhale, return to chair, reach up high. Stand tall, release your legs, and then exhale, bow forward. Halfway lift your spine, gaze long, and then raise your left leg to the height of your hip. Bring your hands forward to your heart as you hold warrior 3. Keep your hands here, maybe reach them back or forward, balance 3, 2, bend this right knee, and then step back to your lunge. Inhale, big back bend, expand the heart. Exhale, bring your hands down. We're gonna raise our right leg to the sky, so 3-legged dog, reach up. And again, bend the knee, open the hip, and if you wanna flip your dog here, you can. So I'm gonna step on the edge of my mat, turn my left toes to face the back corner of my mat, and then roll my hips to the sky. So look at my right foot directly below my right knee. 3, 2, bring the right hand around. Bring this right leg back up as the left leg spins. Exhale, plank to chaturanga. Take your time. And again, flip dog isn't for everyone, so noticing if that feels good in your practice or if you prefer to skip it. You're gonna look forward, bend your knees, step or hop all the way up. Halfway lift. And then exhale, fold forward. Reach into the air, offer a back bend, maybe even take the elbows, bend them wide, puff your heart up. Inhale, reach back to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. We're gonna, on our exhale, take our right foot and step all the way back. Reach up high and breathe in. From here, you're gonna bring your body forward, come into warrior 3. So just a different way to get there. Pick up your back butt, roll your right thigh down and reach. Take your fingertips and reach back as well. Hold here for 3, keep mounding down through the big toe. 2, now we're gonna come right back to where we were. So bend and then land. Good, reach up nice and high, stretch. And then as we bring our hands down, big kick back, 3-legged dog, reach. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hips, stay here, or again, I'm gonna step over, rotate, kick my right foot out, and then make my pose big. 3, 2, come back over, so rotate, left leg high, exhale, high plank, slowly lower down. Inhale up, and then exhale, pull it back. Big breath in as you arrive, body's nice and warm, big breath out. I'm gonna turn and face you, so take a wide-legged stance for me, rotating the body. And then from here, I want you to lift halfway up, grab your ankles and fold forward. Now some of you are gonna be in a fold that's not as deep, and that's totally fine, but I want you to do what feels best for you. Maybe shift a little bit side to side, notice your effort, notice your work. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, we're gonna deeply, deeply bend into one of our knees, doesn't matter which one. So bend right knee first if you want. Opposite foot is straight, and we're gonna take our thumb to meet the inside of that foot. Okay, so my fingers and toes are still facing forward. And then I'm gonna peel open through a twist here. Now this is a whole lot of work in my groin to sustain the pose, and in my back to twist. Take a big inhale. Exhale, bring your palm back down, come back through center, and then we'll shift to the second side. So bending deeply through the opposite knee, so this time the front knee. Placing your thumb in line with your big toe. Try not to turn the hand, and then big twist up, reach to the sky. Bend the knee more, push through this foot. 3. Lean back, 2. And then on 1, bring your palm back down, come back to center. And then again, exhale, fold in a little bit more. Halfway lift and lengthen your spine, get really, really long here. And then we're gonna pivot to the front of our mat, step your feet together, and then inhale, rise all the way up, nice long spine. Exhale, release your hands down by your sides. You're gonna pull your right knee to your chest, stand up tall, lift and lengthen, find balance. Grab the outside of your thigh or foot, depending on where you are in your practice, and look behind you, really firm standing leg. Rotate through this twist. Stand up tall through your bottom leg and hold. 3, 2, and then come back to center on 1. Give it a big squeeze, and then gently place it down. Second side, left knee comes in. Exhale, twist, right hand grabs, look behind you, find that big yummy rotation, squeeze your inner thighs, hold. 3, hold. 2, come back to center, give it a big squeeze, and then exhale, release the feet. Reach your arms really high into the air, lean back. Exhale as you fold forward. Halfway lift and lengthen your spine. And then exhale, sit down into boat pose. So we're gonna find our core. So gently have a seat and pick up your feet. Hug your inner thighs together, lift your chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Feel your hips, engage your core, hug your inner knees. And then maybe straighten those legs. Hold. 3, 2, and you're gonna rock all the way back on 1. Maybe those toes touch overhead. Come all the way up and hold. 3, maybe straighten your legs. 2, put your hands down, try to touch your toes over your head. And then one more time, come back up. Hold. 3, 2, toes overhead, big stretch. And then lower the tailbone down. Good. Pause here, no pressure on your neck. Hug your knees in tight. I want you to drop your knees over to the right into a nice, gentle spinal twist. So you're gonna gently drop your knees to the side and then take your gaze to the opposite side. Good. Twist and feel the release in the side of your body. On your next breath, inhale slowly and carefully, come back through center. Bump your hips up and over and twist and look over the opposite shoulder, so turn your head. On your next breath, come back to center on your inhale. Squeeze your knees tightly to your tummy. You're gonna take the bottom of your feet together, reach up and grab your pinky toes. Some of you are gonna have to have your head up for this, and you're gonna pull your feet toward your face. Hold there for 3, 2, and then exhale, put your head down if it's not down. Spread your feet wide for your happy baby. Maybe try to extend through the right leg, reach, reach, reach. Pull it back in. Left leg, big reach. Come on, push, push, push. Pull it back in. And then from there, I want you to sit up. So I want you to return to that seated pose we started in and see if you feel a little bit longer. So maybe engage your legs by hugging them in or keep them open if you need to. Inhale, reach up super high. Exhale, hinge and fold forward. Reach as far as you can and then create this nice yummy space for yourself to fold into. Inhale as we breathe in. Exhale as we breathe out. Inhale, breathing in. Exhale one more time, breathe out. Take your time and slowly roll up the spine. Fill your heart up as you sit really, really, really tall, and then pull your hands down to heart center. Pull your ankles in so you're in a cozy seat. I'm just gonna shift towards you. And then close your eyes and thank your body so much for moving at any point today that you chose to move and allowing yourselves to practice your yoga. As we open our eyes again, I hope you have an awesome Valentine's Day. Share the love with someone you may or may not know. And if you have any questions about your body or this sequencing, feel free to comment below. Thanks guys for practicing. Please bow forward. Namaste.